Ka Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach NECTAR mentakasngi ka kandai tarik yayong kalapelong ya ka conclave on transforming Meghalaya state through science and technology interventions. A state convention center hakabau chief secretary ka jilla UMS Rao lalong kongsan. Hapa ai jingkren hakate ka program urau laong ka jingthmu pan ai jinghikai ka kyrpang kan long ka jingirap ya ka jilla kuma ka tanat puli puti kan long ka jingirap ikisamna ki banikun haka JEE pat kan nit. Tang ka tao loong ka jinghikai kyrpang ka baka NECTAR kan samru hakaliang ka koi ka kya barkaliang kumno ban yada ya ka mei mariang kan long ka jingmatoy na mar ki jinghikai kinlong ki ba compare.
Firstly, I would suggest that it's always better to intensively focus on a few projects and show meaningful results rather than dissipate efforts over a very large number of projects which don't tend to fructify. So that would be my first suggestion. The second suggestion is that there are a sizable number of central government institutions working in their specialized domain and dedicated to Northeast. For instance, there is this ICR for the Northeast region. We have NECTAR, we have IBSD, etc. And I think some of them are also present here today. I would suggest that NECTAR should liaise with these institutions so that there is no duplication of projects. The third thing is something which you already spelled out, is that we should be looking towards simple, cost-effective solutions that are easy to adopt by the relevant target group that you are aiming to benefit through your intervention. And lastly, since Secretary DST is also here, I would suggest that NECTAR can tap into a very resourceful ministry which has a large number of scientific institutions and can leverage technologies developed by its sister institutions, modify them to suit local conditions and work with the local communities in Northeast.